In this tutorial, you'll learn how to adjust paragraph spacing on your Squarespace site using both the editor's formatting options and custom CSS. Begin by choosing a new text style for your headline from the Style dropdown in the Formatting toolbar. Switch between heading and paragraph options to quickly preview different styles before deciding on the paragraph format you like best. Next, use the Formatting toolbar to apply bold or italic styles, or adjust color and highlight settings to further customize your text. You can also explore other features like scaled text or highlights for added emphasis. Open the color pickers in the toolbar to select custom text colors or quickly apply accent shades for more contrast. For a unique style, try enabling scaled text to adjust the type size dynamically. Now, add a text highlight to make parts of your headline stand out, and then move the cursor to start editing your headline content directly in the editor. After you've finished editing, use the Style dropdown to revisit heading levels, or click Save and Exit in the top toolbar to preserve your changes. Go to the sidebar and open the Pages menu. Head to Custom Code and select Custom CSS to start adjusting the default text spacing for your whole site. Once in the CSS area, place your cursor in the code editor. Begin typing new rules, such as changing the line height property of paragraphs to control the vertical spacing between lines. Finally, select and refine the values in your CSS code so your paragraphs look just right. Preview your page as you make edits to ensure the results match your design vision perfectly. That's it! You've learned how to adjust paragraph spacing in Squarespace using formatting tools and custom CSS.